Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make Fruity Pebbles French toast using the International Delight Fruity Pebbles coffee creamer. When my friend Sarah saw that I had done a review for the coffee creamer on TikTok, she suggested that I make French toast with it. And I was like, you can do that? I looked it up on Google and yeah, but let's get to the ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of International Delight Fruity Pebbles coffee creamer. Fruity Pebbles to sprinkle on top of your French toast. 1 egg. No dinosaur eggs. Fruit syrup, I'm using strawberry. Powdered sugar for dusting. 2 slices of Texas toast. And some whipped cream. First, heat up your skillet and mix together your coffee creamer and your egg. Then flip your bread into the mixture and cook in your skillet until nice and golden brown. Finally, top with your powdered sugar, your syrup, your Fruity Pebbles, and then your whipped cream, and then you're done. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. All right, now for the taste test. I'm gonna try it without. Decent stroke. Well, Sarah, thank you. This does taste like Fruity Pebbles. Oh. This will be a breakfast staple. You guys need to try this. You guys need to make this go viral. Please, please, please. Oh. Try it with the cereal. Nice texture. The strawberry really complements it, not gonna lie. Oh yes. This is good. If you like Fruity Pebbles, this is really good. You're gonna like this. Turned out just right. Thank you again, Sarah. Yes. It's not overly Fruity Pebbly. It's just right. I would eat this again. This is something that IHOP should look into. Ooh. This would make a great breakfast meal. Yes. And yes, I only made one, but you could probably get 2 out of this. I think you get 2 out of it. But that's all I have for you guys tonight. Please consider subscribing and hitting that little bell for the notifications, so that way whenever I post a brand new video, you know the Cooking Goth posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment for the algorithm, please. So that way this could hopefully go viral. And do as I always say, just have fun with it. If you're gonna do food experiments, just have fun with it. If you're gonna make your makeup kind of match what you're doing, just have fun with it. Yeah, can you guess who this was inspired by? If you're going to stand out in the cold and the snow to make breakfast food with breakfast cereal type stuff and coffee creamer, just have fun with it. And by the way, guys, I will be doing more stuff with this coffee creamer. Make sure to look for it. There's going to be at least 1 or 2 other things. I want to say 2, depending on if it snows more. Have a great night, everyone.